Most people get this wrong about Housecall Pro GPS tracking. They think it's just a way to see where technicians are on a map. Here's the truth no one tells you. When used correctly, GPS tracking can improve scheduling, reduce drive time, and help deliver a better customer experience. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Housecall Pro GPS tracking works in 2026, what it can do, what it can't do, and how small service businesses can get the most value from it. Let's jump right into it. At its core, Housecall Pro GPS tracking is designed to help business owners and dispatchers monitor technician locations while they're working in the field. When technicians use the mobile app and location permissions are enabled, their location information can be used to improve visibility into daily operations. For example, imagine Alex owns a plumbing company with 5 technicians. During a busy afternoon, an emergency call comes in. Instead of calling every technician to ask where they are, Alex can quickly identify which team member is closest to the customer and assign the job more efficiently. That alone can save valuable time. But here's the problem. Many business owners expect GPS tracking to automatically fix scheduling issues. It won't. GPS data is only useful when combined with proper dispatching and job management processes. Now, here's where it gets interesting. GPS tracking becomes much more powerful when paired with scheduling tools. If a technician finishes a job earlier than expected, dispatchers can potentially adjust assignments and route the technician to the next nearby customer. This creates a small win that adds up throughout the day. Another benefit is accountability. Managers can better understand travel patterns, technician availability, and job progress. For growing service businesses, this visibility can help improve operational efficiency. However, it's important to understand that GPS tracking should be used responsibly. Successful companies focus on improving workflows and customer service rather than micromanaging employees. Teams are generally more productive when tracking is used as a business tool instead of a surveillance tool. This is where most people fail. They focus only on monitoring technicians and ignore the customer benefits. Faster response times, better scheduling, and more accurate arrival estimates are often the biggest advantages. In a minute, I'll share the easiest way to get value from GPS tracking. The key is simple. Use location data to improve dispatch decisions, reduce unnecessary driving, and communicate better with customers. Don't rely on GPS alone to solve operational problems. So how does Housecall Pro GPS tracking work in 2026? It provides location visibility for field teams, supports smarter dispatching decisions, and helps service businesses operate more efficiently when integrated into their daily workflow. The biggest takeaway is that GPS tracking is not just about knowing where technicians are. It's about helping your team work smarter and serve customers faster. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Housecall Pro tutorials and software reviews, and leave a comment below sharing how your business currently handles dispatching and technician tracking.